Once upon a time, in a small town, a retired engineer named Mr. Thompson decided to build free bicycles for kids. But here's the twist: he used old washing machine parts. Yes, those clunky machines in your laundry room. It turns out the metal frames and gears are perfect for crafting sturdy bike frames. This quirky recycling not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it a win-win for the environment and the community. Who knew Laundry Day could lead to a healthier lifestyle? Comment and subscribe for more fun facts.